In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a training program for a client Trainerize. Will work in the Trainerize web app on a desktop since that gives you the clearest view of your client list and their training details. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and open the Clients tab. Find the person you want to program for, then select them from the list. This gets you in the right place to manage their training without affecting anyone else. Next, click the client's name to open their client dashboard. This dashboard shows an overview of everything tied to that client and is where you'll assign their training program. On the dashboard, you'll see options to add a program either in the top right corner or within the training section. Click Add Program or choose Training Program and then Add. Both paths bring you to the same assignment workflow where full programs are managed, so use whichever button you see first. You'll now choose what kind of program to assign. Master Program pulls from your save templates, which is perfect if you've already built a structured plan. Custom Program lets you create something unique for this client. Quick Start Program helps you assign a simple plan fast. And import or copy from another client is useful when you want to reuse a program that's already working well. Pick the option that best fits your needs. If you already created the plan in advance, select Master Program. After that, search or scroll for the exact program name you want, select it, and click Next. This keeps things organized and ensures you don't accidentally assign the wrong version. Now set the start date. You can start today, choose a specific date, start next Monday, or start after the current program ends. Think about your client's schedule and any existing training they may have. If they're mid-block, starting after the current program ends helps avoid overlap. If you want a clean week, next Monday is a great choice. When you're ready, press Apply or Continue. Before finalizing, confirm the training schedule. You'll see the workout days, overall duration, and phases if the program is built in blocks. Double check that the frequency and timing make sense for your client's availability and training goals, and that the phases line up with your planned progression. When everything looks right, click Assign Program or Finish. The program will immediately appear in your client's app dashboard, in their calendar, and in their training tab. They'll also receive a notification letting them know a new program has been added. That's it. You've successfully assigned a training program to your client in Trainerize, clearly scheduled and ready for them to follow.